Next up, everybody, it is Dennis Hedegaard Johansen from Denmark, lighting left over Hellesund. Good morning, Dennis. We're going to continue now with the rider representing Iceland, the yellow ribbons worn by Agnar Snorri Stefánsson, Alur frá Lundum 2. Góðan daginn, Agnar Snorri.
And then the face turns as well to go on the next section, and you can do that fine. And you may also change the way. And as you do that,
Loose right cut. This is a special challenge. Let's continue now. Agnar, Susanne, and Hjalti, the top three. Here we go.
thank you, riders. You may slow down now and give them a big hand. The best T2 riders in this Nordic Championship. You may leave the track, and while you do that, we have a... Here comes the silver medalist from Iceland. Congratulations, Agnar Snorri Stefánsson. And the Nordic champion. What did you aim at? way to go. Doesn't like the weather, so maybe you could go down to the head. Fordi han skal jo også blive lidt i det her. Det vil han gerne have, at det høje godt på.